Let's answer some questions about scrap leather. I get a lot of questions, and some unofficial research says for every one question that you see written in a comment, there's 43.2 others that are thinking the same thing. So let's just get it out of the way. Question number one, what do I consider scrap? This is sort of scrap. Something large like this, not scrap. If it's big enough to have a full item made out of it, like a wallet, that's not scrap to me. If it's smaller than that, I consider it scrap because I don't want to make a whole wallet in pieces that are different hides, because you're going to get the same hide could look totally different. Even that's not what I meant. The same tan color, everything hide, two of them can look totally different. So when I make things, I like them to be from the same hide 100%. So if I don't have enough to make a full wallet out of a piece, that's scrap. And what do I do with all my scrap? Key fobs like this. If I get a piece that's big enough to get that out of it, I keep it. These are scraps. Now they're trash. I can't really make anything out of them. A bunch of little tiny strips maybe, but I don't have time for that. But key fobs. I'm in the middle of making some here. Key fobs. Hold on. Oh, let me show you some scraps that are bigger than this, but not big enough to make a whole wallet out of. So hold on. Not scraps. Not scraps. All right, so stuff like this. Can't really make a whole wallet out of it. It's just kind of big. I think there's another one. Let me look down, hold on. Yeah, like this. Just, I can't bring myself to throw it in the trash. Drawers of it. All of these, I'm in the middle of packing, by the way, so it's kind of messy. All of these, not scraps. These are full hides. Let's wrap it up with how much scrap do I have? Well, you saw the bigger stuff in the drawers. Like, then I have like this. Is that enough? No. Is this enough? No. Is this enough? No. All right, I'll show you. Hold on. How about that?